There you go. Oh, this is a very quick. This is a very quick one. Because I could get easily distracted and spend a whole lot of time going through all this. These last night, Sunday night. This is these flat out shapey right up front of my house as it happens. Yeah, just another day, just another night. Like, while I was out there, just as I got home, I took some pictures of this car and was filming it, and you know, it's covered in orb, but yeah, orb tech, and you can see the entities and blah blah blah. But I don't want to get listen, they're everywhere. I don't want to get all sidetracked on that. While I was doing it, this cat, what was purporting to be a cat, walked along here and on the left across the road from from left to right, from east to west. It wasn't. I know all the cats in the area. You know, neighbour's cat waits me, pat every time I'm there. Like, you know, it's Cammy. The other cats that I don't know by name, I know, and they know me. I know them, and I didn't recognise this cat. And it looked a bit long and skinny. I was like, and it walked past me. I was like, oh, you're not a real. I was like, you're not a real cat. Then it walked back past me again. Right? It was just, and then I just smiled the second time. I didn't bother do anything the second time, but the first time I took a picture of it, and here we go. Hang on, I don't want to spoil it. Oh, I just found it there, and I couldn't stop. I was going to stop laughing. Well, obviously, I did stop laughing. I just really want to go on now. There you go. Yeah, I mean, yeah, whatever. I'm going to get off sidetracked talking about spirit, but is that? Am I still recording? So this is this is a fucking shapey cut. This is shifty shapey. It's all blacked out, all lead. Yeah, I'm already getting off topic. Anyhow, what's this cat? What's this? I'm trying to keep this short. I was just looking through these, right? I was like, oh yeah, you know, it's full on, because that's tripped out, right? There's a lot I could explain, and there's a lot to be gleaned from this stuff here. However, right now, this is all I'd like to share. I'd to glean. Come on, because it's all looking a bit sinister. They try to, you know, sometimes have scary looking things, whatever. Okay, this is a cat. Now, but naked eye just looked a bit skinny. But I was like, you're not a real cat. Oh, let's look at the picture of it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 legs. Let alone the rest. I mean, because it was called cat dog, wasn't it? Anyhow, so as I was saying, and as I suspected at the time, and I said to her, "You're not a real cat." Oh, that was it. I think this was while it was walking that way. It then came back, like literally within like they all do. They do one way and they come out the other. Like a lot of these fakies. They just want to be on the bloody Truman Show that I'm living in, or whatever the hell. I don't know what it is. They're testing out their skills, but it's not the best cat impersonation I've ever seen. Anyhow, I thought it was fantastic. Maybe it was going that way. I don't know. I don't know. They're much like the wheels. You know, it's a clever allusion to our eyes, I think, but. Yeah, they're kind of set up to look like they could possibly be going either way, like the fake planes that I used to see all the time that I don't see anymore. They were designed so that wherever you were when you looked at it, I'm forgetting how to explain it, but there was an optical illusion there where it's like, you know, you always looked like it was going straight over your head. Anyhow, forget about the fake planes, just very briefly. This little dude, he's made my day. Maybe he was going left. I don't know. But I was just flicking through these, and they're pretty full on. I've just looked at heaps of stuff, and I was like, you know, it's whatever. It is what it is. And so, I mean, and I'm like, what the fuck is that? Is that cat? And then I counted the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh dear. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, much love. No, I'm not going to do it. I actually came on here to look at... This is still on the SD card. I actually came on here to look at this freaking thing that was pretending to be a plane. I don't even know if it's there. This must be it. I haven't looked at this yet. So 5 minutes I was on it for. I got to sort back and I got tired. Like I had enough. It was, and in the end it was just sort of hiding behind these sort of power line things, trying to hide. It's got a big. It's like Cletus the slack-jawed yokel plane. I don't know. Some planes will be real and some planes won't. All like Cletus the slack-jawed. Anyhow, it's I hadn't seen this. Everything's look very different on the little screen of the P900 compared to when I see it. I was going to turn it down a bit because it's just a little kid next door. You know, I found this is personal information, and I was just didn't say anything. I was just filming this thing, just going. Yeah, I knew it wasn't real. That's the only thing I said at one point is, it's not real. It's one of the little. I'm just a plane. Really, I'm here monitoring, watching you. I'm just, it's just a fan, perhaps. I don't know. I'm famous, remember? It's paparazzi, interdimensionally, that is, or something. But yeah. I'm just gonna leave this running. I'll put this little radiation device down. But yeah, I just want to share that little 5-legged shapey cat. Fantastic. And I'll leave it on this dude. He's still grinning. It was funny because a number of planes had gone over, and the real planes, they just, as I've demonstrated in the past, they're just gone, right? They're gone quick. And this dude, he was, especially when I think he's supposed to be flying towards me. I mean, anyhow, he's not a plane. That's not a plane. All right. Myself.
I see something new on the horizon of my mind. I feel something new.